likes these. They like to call he called them Red Hots.
Yeah.
So they got
These
French
are
Red Hot in it.
machine, all the kids love to get these. Yeah.
You like that one, Gal?
If you'd like to sit on one, feel free to jump on this one if you like.
Why don't you sit on that one, Gal? Put your foot way over top.
Yeah, so these are all already sold, but yeah, so we got name tags on them for who's getting them.
Barkwell. What? Barkwell.
Yeah.
Why, what's your
What?
name?
What's your name?
Gabrielle, why did it say that?
You're a Barkwell?
I'm confused.
You want to take this home today?
Yeah? Are you buying it? But you brought the car. How are we going to take that home?
Grandpa over here.
Oh my god.
Fantastic.
What?
Why did you not tell us?
Because I wanted it to be a surprise. Do you think that fits you better for this year?
Are you surprised? Good, that's good.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Looks pretty good. I like it.
couple of lucky girls.
Congratulations, girls.